All right, so we're going to go over the cool down from Tuesday, lesson 1 from this week. And that was question number 1. What is the absolute value of negative 5? Remember, absolute value means that it's the distance away from 0. So the distance that negative 5 is from 0, if this is 0, negative 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 5 is here. So negative 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces away from 0. So then this is the correct answer. Absolute value does not mean opposite. Some of you think that it means opposite. It doesn't. For example, the absolute value of positive 5 is also 5. Okay, because it's about how far away it's from 0. Next one is here. So for number 2, what is the value of, remember the symbol, you have to know what those lines mean. Those lines mean absolute value. So they're asking you for what is the absolute value of negative 12.9. So it's asking you how far away is negative 12.9 from 0. So let's say negative 12.9 is over here. This would be negative 12.9 spaces away from 0. So the answer is positive 12.9. It's always positive. Absolute value is always positive. So these little lines mean absolute value. They are not ones, okay? They mean absolute value. So when you see them, it's just asking you the same thing as number 1. What is the absolute value of negative 12.9? Once again, it does not mean opposites. The absolute value of positive 12.9 is also 12.9 because it is 12.9 spaces away from 0. And then the next one, number 3, select all numbers that have a value that is less than the absolute value of 4.7. So remember, the absolute value of 4.7 is positive 4.7. So the absolute value of 4.7 is equal to 4.7. So basically, it's asking you which numbers are less than 4.7. Not equal to, not greater than, less than. So 5.7 is not less than 4.7. Negative 4.7 is less than because 0 is over here. And 4.7 will be somewhere over here. And negative 4.7 is over here. So it's to the left of it. So it is less than. So less than. Positive 4.7, no, that's equal to. So not that one. 4, yes, 4 is somewhere over here. 4 is to the left of 4.7. So this is less, oh no, not this one, sorry. So this is less than, so this is less than for the absolute value of 4.7. And then 0, yeah, 0 is over here, and 0 is to the left of 4.7. So this is smaller than the absolute value of 4.7. So again, when it's asking you for numbers that are less than, you have to see what numbers are to the left of it. Number lines can help. I took the absolute value of the number, as you can see here, in order to know what numbers I was looking for. Okay. The next one, number 4. Select all numbers that are greater than the absolute value of negative 2.6. So what is the absolute value of negative 2.6? It's positive 2.6. So it's asking you what are all the numbers that are greater than positive 2.6. So if you, again, in a number line, right, the 0, 2.6 is somewhere over here. So negative 2 is somewhere over here. Negative 2 is to the left of 2.6, so not that one. Positive 2.6 is exactly at 2.6, so not that one. It's not greater than 2.6, it's exactly 2.6. 3 is somewhere over here. 3 is to the right of 2.6. So yes, this one is greater than, because if a number is to the right, it's greater than that number. 0, nope, 0 is to the left. 0 is not greater than. 5, yeah, 5 would be somewhere over here. So 5 is to the left, to the right, sorry, of 2.6. So 5 is greater than that number. So then it would be those two answers. Once again, remember, absolute value does not mean opposite. It means distance from 0. Read this, watch this again if you need to. Email me with any questions or go to office hours Monday to Thursday, 3 to 3:30 p.m.